Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to pump milk while traveling and make the process easier for mothers who are always busy or away from home. Traveling with a pumping routine may seem difficult in the beginning, but with good preparation, it becomes much more manageable. Before leaving home, always make sure your pump parts are clean and properly packed. Keeping everything organized in one bag can save time and reduce stress during travel. It is also helpful to carry clean storage containers or storage bags for collected milk. Many mothers also keep a small cooler bag with ice packs to help maintain the milk at a cool temperature while outside. When it is time to pump, try to find a calm and comfortable place where you can relax. Staying calm often helps the body respond more naturally during pumping sessions. Before starting, wash or sanitize your hands if possible. Hygiene is very important, especially when pumping outside the home. Try to continue pumping around your regular timing. Keeping a consistent routine can help your body stay comfortable and make sessions easier. After pumping, carefully store the milk in clean containers and place them safely in the cooler bag if needed. Cleaning pump parts after use is also important. If you cannot wash them immediately, store them safely and clean them as soon as possible. With preparation, consistency, and a calm approach, pumping while traveling becomes much easier and less stressful over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.